Yo, what's up guys? It's in the back for a video. Now, I know I haven't been uploading that much, but that's because I've been doing, I've been playing Minecraft, not before. Yo, haters, dislike and go watch some other video that is more fun than this. How about this? I mean, come on, it's the most played game, because it's it's the most played game. That's mostly why. We're going to this dash 76080 722 358 233. I feel like I'm doing a ritual. This is sort of a ritual. 377231. Okay, and then this is the right sea. Some people said that they spawned in like the jungle, and nothing ordinary nothing out of ordinary for that. So apparently this is the sea. There's nothing out of the ordinary yet. I mean, I did that on a sort of desert, so there's a temple. Interesting. This is mini-game. Interesting. Alright, we need to find stuff soon. I don't know if you guys know, but look at the islands. Over here it's completely bare. And it's only sand. But I think, yeah, it's not bare. It actually extends. And yeah, let's see if we can find him, or at least get a glimpse of him. I'm not sure if it works on something like this, because I did do, guys, for those of you who plays Minecraft, you know the Siege very well, or for those of you who watch Dark Corners, because I watched this PewDiePie Siege tutorial, just need to let me know if I put in the right city or if I did it correctly. There's nothing at the over. There is a savannah. It's cool. I was hoping not just find a desert. Let's go there and make ourselves a army as well. It's in one. And we're gonna actually try the 24-hour challenge. focus on this side. Perfect, we're at a good start. Boom, boom, boom. Perfect. Three. That. Look at that. You're not going to pay. So, guys, if you hear anything or even see anything, like I said before, let me know. Because I wonder if this is actually true. And I might be wrong. And this might sound crazy enough, but apparently from the people who have tried this challenge or even trained or whatsoever, they say that it actually works. So I'm gonna believe them. This tree is huge. Let's get a little bit more. If we're going to survive, we're going to make. We're going to have to make ourselves a place to stay. We have to make ourselves a base, but not just any base. This is going to have to be like a shelter. Strange as that, but that's there. Give things like kill some stuff. I don't know, this scene is already interesting already. I find it guys, I find the way that the seed was generated is interesting. For some people, also the spawn point is interesting. Some people said they spawned in the jungle. For me, it was in the desert. That's good. That's just the ground. And the sound is really loud. Okay, I think that's good enough. We already have a bunch of, yeah, that's, whatever. And no matter what, I always have cheats on. I always need cheat if, like, for example, I don't have materials. Let's get some wood and some stone. is an interesting structure. There are a lot of interesting things. And there are some things I want to see. There's actually a cave here. And it's already creepy. Oh, we found the first cave. That's something. So guys, I've seen a video like this. This guy who plays Minecraft, I don't know his name, but I watched it and like he had auto jump on, so never have auto jump on because like that's just stupid. Our second cave. Now it's literally like quicksand. There's iron. This is already freaky. I want that in. We're gonna have to be brave on this one. Oh wait, I just messed up. I already know that with pickaxe is not going to. There's nothing working so far. No way that is that. Version 8 build. If we're trying to survive this one, center it down, and I have no armor whatsoever. We got no food. We're gonna have to find ourselves and that doesn't matter. Wow, look at that. I don't know if you guys can see, but there's a pillager outpost right there. For a second I saw Ruby. Oh shit. That should be one. Get finger beam. Oh shit. Actually, no, let's go into peaceful. Like I wouldn't die like last time. Look at it. Okay, let's make a good. There's already a bunch of space here. This is perfect. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. We're gonna have to expand this a bit. And wow. That was weird. I did not know that there's this here. Or like that was good tracking. We actually made this time those bombs, and if we ever turn on like RT modes, they got to go through that. They can why we use some sort of but we're gonna have to redo this because this isn't that spot. And I don't know if it's that was weird. Sorry, I showed the noise. I don't know if you guys heard that, but like I heard a weird noise like right behind me. That's to start for that. Perfect. But what is that sound? It's like it's playing tricks on me. Let's get some cactuses. I have an idea for like a defense. I don't might be a gamble. By then, but it's probably not the best of ideas, but it's a good way to like try and scare enemies. We got like a bunch of sticks. Perfect. Perfect. This is paper. Okay, we're going to find some sugar cane. I feel like we are actually completely open. So if you're going to attack us or even try to scare us, there's something like opportunity for your brain. Sun's going down. So far, we've only heard some creepy noises. Let's turn it on. That it has some action. A sweet sugar cane. Perfect. This is really this place. I haven't actually good. What would we got? Perfect. That's your end button. Okay, that's enough. Now we got some food. Now let's make a sauce. And that isn't the best idea to I would open the shrimp space. Hey. Okay. Not too bad. Okay, the first one is there's some paper from sugar cane. I have paper. I think it's there. Yeah, it's there. It's definitely more than sugar cane. You also need a map. Let's explore this temple. Because like the first thing would be caught a glimpse of voicing from the Brian system. And then I got me. That's right. settings that let's get slowly down. Yeah. This and this. I've read the recording for the past hour. If I don't hear anything, I'm hearing like everything. I think we have to try all of those different challenges. You know, we're gonna try. Guys, let me know like what you want me to do on this seed. This seed, sorry, what's going on? So I think that's gonna wrap it up for this video. I know this video was quite long, but please bear with me. So yeah, I'll see you next time for another video. Bye.